200, which is manufactured by Glow Research. This particular system is designed for up to 8-inch substrates or 200 millimeter square substrates or 200 millimeter wafers. The chamber is an anodized aluminum chamber, and it is 10 inches wide by 10 inches deep by 4 inches high. The system comes with 2 wafer or sample holders. In the bottom is the plasma holder, and this is the RIE type holder. We're going to get into more details about that in just a moment, but we'll be going through some of the features and some of the operation of the AutoGlow 200. The system plugs into a standard electrical outlet. You also would need a pump to plug in and hook up to the back of the system. You would need a KF40 flange to hook up the vacuum. So all you need to do is put your sample in this area right here. In this case, this is a RIE type of reaction that we're looking for in the configuration. You close the door, you push the system on, and you push this, which is the vacuum valve. The system will pump down. This is how you control the gas inlet right here. This is for nitrogen backfill of the chamber or nitrogen purge of the chamber. You have a selector switch here for pressure, for power, for reflected power, and the actual amount of power that's going in. We'll put it back over here to pressure. It's now down to 0.2 torque. You want to have the automatic tuning. It does have automatic tuning, so you want to have that on. And you push process start, and it should start within a couple of seconds. You have a timer here that goes from 6 seconds to 999 minutes. This controls the on, the vacuum. This controls your power once you put it over here to power. Right now we have it set for 174 watts. You can increase that up to all the way to 300 or down as low as 10 watts. So we'll decrease it, whoops, went the wrong way. We'll decrease it down to a very low amount of power, down to, there's 7, 8, 10 watts. So it's designed to go from 10 watts all the way up to 300 watts in 1 watt increments. If you decide you want to stop the process, you merely flip this switch right here, and that stops the process. It's a very good system, has a very accurate tuning system in it, has a 300 watt RF generator, has a viewport door, aluminum chamber, anodized aluminum chamber, so you can do CF4 type applications, as well as other oxygen and photoresist stripping or plasma cleaning type applications. Timer, which allows you to look at the status of various different steps in the process. This is very good for identifying anything that could be wrong or to confirm that all the submodules in the system are working correctly. All the electronics are right behind the front panel right here. Inside the system is the RF mesh network, which is located in this area inside the body of the AutoGlow 200 system. The RF generator, it's a 300 watt solid state RF generator, slides out the back. It's also a module. So the system is designed to be a very modular system with all the electronics here, the RF generator underneath the system, and the match network back here. So I'm going to go through the system, and you can see and you can monitor the diagnostic card as I do go through various different steps. So I've just turned the system on. I've also indicated that I want to have automatic tuning, and I'm going to now turn on the vacuum valve, which opens the valve to allow the system to evacuate. I'll go over here to pressure. You can see right now it's still pumping down. We have the process. Let's set it up to, say, 174 watts. We'll go back here to pressure. You can see it's already pumping down. So once you get below 500 or 0.5 torr, you can see it strikes a plasma. And you can now see that reflected over here on the diagnostic card. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And once again, turn it back on again, and you can see the difference in the diagnostic card. The system tunes very fast. It's a very accurate tuning system. It's a tuning system that's found in very expensive plasma equipment, and we have used it in the AutoGlow. If you have any questions about the Glow Research AutoGlow 200 system, please contact us at glowresearch.com.